Seasoning beef sounds simple, but when you season and how much you use can completely change the flavor, moisture level, and crust. Hey, I'm Chef Dagan, and this is Beef 101. Today, we're covering two big questions: when you should season beef and how much seasoning you should use. When you season your beef depends on the seasoning itself. Let's start with our basic seasoning, salt. Adding salt to raw or very lightly cooked beef draws out moisture. Either season and cook right away, or season and let the moisture reabsorb for about 60 minutes before cooking. This will help with the Maillard reaction, which is what happens when high heat transforms amino acids and sugars on the surface of the beef. But we'll cover that in a later video this semester. Dried spices like oregano, thyme, and even black pepper can burn easily and have a bitter taste. So add those closer to the end of the cooking process. Season more boldly than you think. Beef has deep flavor. A generous coating of seasoning helps develop crust and enhance taste. If you're using a rub, apply it just like you would salt, either right before cooking or at least 60 minutes ahead. Rubs with sugar brown faster, so keep a close eye on the beef to avoid burning. Chef's tip: for thick steaks, season the sides too, not just the top and the bottom. For ground beef patties, season the outside only. Mixing salt in the beef can change the texture. When to season, what we are seasoning, and how much makes all the difference in flavor, browning, and juiciness. Class dismissed. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss a lesson, and visit beefwhat'swhat'sfordinner.com for more tips and recipes.